Tapescript 3.8.2.
I don't believe this. We've lost 5-1. If we keep playing football like this, we will lose all of our matches. I told you not to eat too much before the game. If you eat a lot of food, you will feel sick.
You won't feel sick if you don't eat too much.
Yes, thank you, Bisette. I also told you to drink plenty of water. If you run around a lot on a hot day, you will lose a lot of water and you will dehydrate.
You won't dehydrate if you drink plenty of water.
Okay, thanks, Bisette. Some of you are very unfit. You should do more exercise and eat a balanced diet. If you do more exercise, your body will get stronger.
Your body will get stronger if you exercise.
Yes, thank you, Bisette. I think everyone understands. If you eat a balanced diet, you will have more energy. You won't have enough energy if you don't eat a balanced diet. Bisette, you look terrible. You need to change your diet. You eat too much fast food and you don't eat enough vitamins. If you eat more fruits and vegetables, you will get all the vitamins you need. If you eat too much fast food, you will get fat. If you get fat, you won't be able to run. Do you understand?
Yes, coach.
You won't be able to play football if you can't run. And stop drinking soda. If you keep drinking soda, you will put on weight. You should include more fiber in your diet. Fiber will help you digest your food. If you eat carrots and potatoes, you will get enough fiber. You won't win any football matches if you don't eat good food. So if you want to play next week, you will need to eat properly and practice every day.
We will win if we practice every day. Now go home and get some rest. See you all at school on Monday.
Yes, that's right. Thank you, Bisette.
Dehydrate. Dehydrate.
Balanced diet. Balanced diet.
Properly. Properly. Diet. Diet.
Digest. Digest.
Fiber. Fiber.